Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie, back with another video, right? First off, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today we are going to just unbox and talk about the WAHL Barber kit. I done tore the box up. The WAHL Barber kit, which comes with the black WAHL cordless magic clip. I don't know why that was hard for me to get out. And then it comes with the detailer, right? So as of now, I don't even know the release date of this as I'm recording the video, but I do think it's right around the corner, right? The price of this is $279. So I bought this when I was at CT, and at CT they was charging $250 for it, but off the website when they do drop, they will be $279 for the bundle, for the combo, right? So let's see what it say. Cordless or corded for convenience, all right? Up to 100 minutes of run time. So the clipper and the trimmer both have 100 minutes of run time. The clipper comes with the crunch blade technology. The trimmer has the T-blades. The clipper comes with 3 guards. It doesn't come with the full premium guards. Like if you was to buy the gold one separately, you would get the premium guards up to I think a number 6. But with the combo, you don't get that. Then of course the trimmer comes with 3 blades or 3 guards. So, but anyway, this is the packaging. So it is similar to if you was getting the WAHL the clipper separately. The package is pretty similar. Once we open it up, of course you get the WAHL packaging. But once you open it up, you do have this combo. So it will come in this nice handy carrying case, right? And everything will be in here. Now I already got the guards out, but you do get the cleaning brush. You do get one charger cable that goes to the clipper and the trimmer, right? So with this package, you do not get a charging like stand or anything, but if you already have a WAHL or anything, you can just use the charging stand. But you do get one cord that goes with both the trimmer and the clipper. These are the guards. Of course, you get the premium. It's only 3 premium, but you do get the half, 1, and a 1.5. Oil, nice little cleaning brush there. And then of course, the nice WAHL comb, right? So once you get the package, this how, let me put them in here so you can see how they will come in the package, all right? So once you open it up, you got a nice little carrying case that you have both of these products in already, right? And of course, this is the upgraded from the maroon WAHL or something like that. This is more of the less of the gold technology. If you use the gold WAHL detailers or magic clips, this is pretty much the same, that same extra power in there. Also with the detailers. For sound, same power. And then of course with the trimmer, same thing. So it's not, they're not going backwards and just giving you a different color. They have upgraded the inside. So if you use the cordless magic, the gold ones, or if you use the senior, that's what you're getting in the power of the magic clip. And then of course you got more power in the detailer. So comes with the gold staggered tooth blade, their fade blade. And you know, it's the same design, nothing crazy, nothing different. Still goes through hair pretty well. The detailer, so in the beginning of using the detailer, it did, I mean, of course you want to make sure that everything is oiled up anyway, but it did kind of drag across the skin a little bit in the beginning. once it started getting going, once it started getting loosening up a little bit, then you was able to get nice lines. Everything is crisp. Everything is nice. All right. So that is the WAHL black. I was about to say gold, but black and gold, not gold and black. Black and gold detailer and magic clip, the combo set. So when you shopping, again, I don't know if I know the date before I release this, then I'll put the date on the screen. But as of now, I do not have a release date. But these will be $279. But I now have a discount code with WAHL. So use the discount code CuzByReggie10, save you some money, get the combo set, or get you anything else that you want to get off of the WAHL website. Clippers, charging stands for these, right? So the price separately, so they won't be selling the black separately as of right now. The only way you can get the black is in the combo set, right? So like you can buy the gold magic clip, you can buy the gold detailer separately. But as of now, and I don't know if that will change in the future, but as of now, you can only get these together in the combo set. So it's been a while since I've done a giveaway. So with that being said, with this WAHL barber set that runs cooler with the blades, they got 100 minutes of run time, one cord for both, all that good shenanigans. Since I have one, I bought myself one. It's time for a giveaway, right? So no, you won't be getting the one that I've opened. You won't be getting the one with the tore box. You won't get one that's already been used and got hair in it. I'm giving away a brand new one, right? Let's see, what can you put in this comment section? And yes, this is for everybody. Even if you're not subscribed, even if you're overseas, even if this is for everybody. All right? In the comment section, down below, say, I want you to type out what you mean. That's all. What you mean. Now, I want it spelled like this. Is how it is on the screen. What you mean. I don't know what that means, but what you mean. And that's going to get you in the raffling of this. All right? All right? If you don't want it, then don't want it. Or if you want to go ahead and grab it, you can go to the website when it releases and then you'll have one. But type what you mean in the comment section. That'll get you in the running for a new WAHL detailer combo set with the magic clip. Yeah. What you mean? Huh? What you mean? Comment section. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. Type what you mean in the comment section. Put your name in the hat for the giveaway of this new barber combo from WAHL. Peace.